Some golf carts look like they belong at the top the second you see them. Big wheels, luxury seats, LED lights, touchscreen displays, lithium batteries, and a price tag that makes them look premium. But here is the problem. A golf cart can look amazing on day one and still become a headache later. Because after the excitement wears off, the real test begins. Can you get parts? Can a local dealer service it? Does the battery setup make sense? Will it hold value? And will you still enjoy owning it 3 or 5 years from now? That is why today we are building the ultimate golf cart tier list for 2026. And stay with me until the end, because the S tier picks are where this list gets serious. Those are the golf carts I would actually trust for long-term ownership, and one of them may beat out carts that look way more exciting online. This ranking is not just about looks, speed, or who has the biggest screen. We are ranking these golf carts based on reliability, support, parts availability, resale confidence, comfort, features, and how easy they are to own after the first few months. Before we get into the tier list, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which golf cart you think belongs in S tier. Now let's get straight into it. Let's start with C tier. C tier does not mean these golf carts are terrible. It means they are the carts I would be the most careful with before buying. The first C tier pick is the Candy Cruiser 4P. The Cruiser 4P is appealing because it gives buyers a 4-passenger electric golf cart at a more affordable price point. For light neighborhood use, short trips, and basic family driving, it can make sense. But Candy does not have the same long-term golf cart reputation as Yamaha, Club Car, or E-Z-Go. So I would treat it as a value pick, not the safest long-term pick. If the price is right and support is available nearby, it can work. But if local service is weak, I would be careful. The second C-tier pick is the Advanced EV Advent 4L. The Advent 4L gives buyers the lifted look, lithium power, and modern features many people want in 2026. It can look like a lot of golf cart for the money, but support is the deciding factor. If you have a strong advanced EV dealer near you, ownership can be much easier. If not, parts and service may become frustrating later. So this is not a bad golf cart, but it is one you need to research before buying. Now let's move to B tier. B tier is where the golf carts can make sense for the right buyer, but they are not the safest long-term picks. The first B tier pick is the Bentelli Beyond 4PR. The Beyond 4PR is a street-legal electric golf cart with a lot of features already included. For buyers who want something neighborhood-ready without adding everything later, it can be attractive. The reason it stays in B tier is support. Like many newer brand golf carts, the dealer matters a lot. If your local Bentelli dealer is strong, this golf cart becomes much easier to own. If support is weak, I would move more carefully. The next B-tier pick is the Star EV Sirius. The Sirius gives buyers a more premium street-legal electric golf cart feel. It has a modern look, lithium power, and can make sense in communities where golf carts are part of everyday driving. Star EV has been around longer than many newer electric golf cart brands, which helps. But it still is not as universally supported as the biggest legacy brands. So the Sirius can be a good option, but only if service and parts access are strong in your area. The third B-tier pick is the Denago Nomad XL. The Nomad XL is one of the newer golf carts that feels more serious than a basic budget cart. The aluminum chassis and lithium battery setup are good signs for long-term ownership. But Denago is still a newer name compared to the big three. So before buying, I would check dealer coverage, warranty support, and parts access carefully. It has good potential, but it still needs more long-term history. Now let's move to A tier.
A tier means these are strong choices. They are not quite the safest long-term picks, but they are some of the best newer brand golf carts to consider in 2026. The first A tier pick is the Icon i40L. The Icon i40L has become popular because it gives buyers the lifted look, 4 seats, lithium power, and a lot of features in one package. It is a strong fit for neighborhood driving and buyers who want something that feels upgraded right away. It is not as proven long-term as Yamaha, Club Car, or E-Z-Go, but Icon has become common enough that more buyers recognize it, and more people are sharing owner feedback. That helps, but dealer support still matters. The second A-tier pick is the Evolution D5 Maverick 4 Plus. This is one of the most exciting newer golf carts in 2026. It has a modern design, forward-facing seating, lithium power, and a premium feel for the money. For buyers who want comfort, features, and style, Evolution is hard to ignore. The only reason it does not reach S-tier is long-term history. It is popular, but it still does not have the same decades-long track record as the biggest brands. So, the D5 Maverick 4 Plus is a strong A-tier choice, especially if you have a reliable local dealer. Now we finally get to S-tier. This is where the list changes. S-tier is not about which golf cart looks the most expensive. It is about which golf carts I would trust the most if someone wanted to buy once and keep it for years. The first S-tier pick is the E-Z-Go RXV Elite. The RXV Elite earns this spot because it combines a proven major brand with a factory lithium setup. That matters because factory lithium is usually easier to trust than a random aftermarket battery conversion done later. E-Z-Go has strong dealer support, a large owner base, and good parts availability. For neighborhoods, golf communities, and buyers who want a smooth electric golf cart with major brand backing, the RXV Elite is one of the safest choices. The next S-tier pick is the Club Car Onward. The Onward belongs in S-tier because it gives buyers a modern, personal golf cart while keeping the long-term advantages Club Car is known for. The aluminum frame is a major reason buyers trust Club Car, especially in coastal, humid, or rainy areas where rust can become a real problem. The Onward also gives buyers options: gas, electric, lithium, lifted, non-lifted, 2-passenger, 4-passenger, and more depending on the setup. It is not the cheapest golf cart, but for long-term ownership, it is one of the strongest choices. And the final S-tier pick is the Yamaha Drive 2PTV. This is the golf cart I would put at the very top for all-around long-term ownership. The Yamaha Drive 2PTV does not need to be the flashiest golf cart to be one of the best. It wins because it is balanced. It is comfortable, proven, widely supported, and available in gas and electric versions. If you want quiet neighborhood driving, the electric version makes sense. If you want longer runtime, quick refueling, or use on a larger property, the gas version still makes sense. That flexibility is a big deal. Yamaha also has a strong reputation for dependable golf carts that people keep for years. So here's the final tier list. C tier goes to Candy Cruiser 4P and Advanced EV Advent 4L. B tier goes to Bentelli Beyond 4PR, Star EV Sirius, and Denago Nomad XL. A tier goes to Icon i40L and Evolution D5 Maverick 4 Plus. And S tier goes to E-Z-Go RXV Elite, Club Car Onward, and Yamaha Drive 2PTV. The biggest lesson is simple. Do not buy a golf cart just because it looks good in photos. Buy the one that fits your use, has local service support, has a healthy battery setup, and makes sense for long-term ownership. Because the best golf cart in 2026 is not always the one with the most features. It is the one you can actually maintain, repair, and enjoy for years. Let me know in the comments which golf cart you would put in S tier. And if you want more golf cart rankings, comparisons, and buying guides, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.